Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about card arbitrage. As you know that this channel will bring an opportunity of cashing out and make a trade about card and cardless arbitrage. Today we are going to discuss about some platform that you can use your ATM card. So I will not mention a card in this video because of the security reasons. So I'll just go and test the ATM cards on this platform, and I'll drop the ATM card name inside our Telegram group so that you can be able to go and check it there. As you can see, this is our Telegram group, Arbitrage Solution. So use this opportunity and join it. So what you are going to do here is to go to your Play Store here, type PastaPay. PastaPay, as you can see, I have downloaded it, I have verified it. So I'll now put on my password. So this is my interface of the, as you can see, I have tested it with $1. It is going. So you are going to use this opportunity and use these cards. I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw by using this method. So what you are going to do here is to click on add money here. So you can see I'll type on $1, then click on continue. So as you can see, I have already mentioned and linked my cards on this platform. So I'll choose the card. As you can see here, this is the information saying that they're going to deduct a charges here. You are going to put your code. As you can see, I'm going to authorize the transaction. So let's wait for the OTP to come. So I'll now wait for the OTP. So for your own information, the OTP has been came here. I'll confirm. Wait for the transaction to authorize. So please contact your debit card company for available balance. So I think our balance is have insufficient, but let me add money inside my bank account. So as you can see, I have added 300 naira as my balance on that application is I have insufficient fund there. As you can see here, for the first transaction, they have deducted 648 naira. That's included their charges. I have added 300 naira, making it 664. So let's go back to the application and authorize the transaction again. So let's wait and see. In this video, we are going to show you how to deposit by using these methods and withdraw to your TransferWise. So I'll confirm it here. So I will now wait for the authorization. So as you can see, they have deducted my account. So as you can see here, the transaction has been went successful. This is the notification I have received now. Okay, so $1 has been added. So I think this description is enough. This card has $100 limits, and it is a virtual card, and they were selling dollar at 498. So join our Telegram group. I'll drop a links under this video so that you may be able to know how to deposit. I'll now show you how to withdraw your money using this application and send it to your TransferWise. After you make your deposition, make sure you verify your account before you initiate a depositing, because you cannot withdraw your money before verification. So I'll now teach you how to withdraw your money on FirstPay without any issue. So there was two withdrawal methods. You can send to TransferWise, and you can send it to Agree. So the method that I usually use is Gray accounts. Gray. As you can see, Gray doesn't have a application on Play Store. Their website is Gray. I will drop the sites under this video. Gray is an online fintech platform, online payments and fintech platform that allow and provide their customers with a foreign account number or international account number like Euro, GBP and US dollar. So you can use this platform, create your standard international account number for international transaction. So I'll now use this opportunity and send my money from FirstPay to Gray accounts to bypass a TransferWise, because TransferWise is facing a problem of restricting and closing their customer accounts, but Gray accounts is a standard. They will not close your accounts without any reasonable issue. So before you initiate a withdrawal on this, I will now advise you to convert your money to GBP, because GBP has a fastest transaction time. You can receive your money within a short period of time. So you are now, after we have deposited this $2, we are going to convert it to GBP. As you can see, our $2 will convert it to GBP. I will convert it. You see there is no any fee. They will not charge you anything. It's 0.0. They'll convert your, I'll put my pin and wait for them. So as you can see, your $2 has been converted successfully to thanks. So as you can see, the GBP has been come to your dashboard. What is the next here is to click on send money here. Click on send. As you can see, I have added I have added the email address that I'm going to use. So after you click on email address, they'll show you some withdrawal methods without sending to other TransferWise. So I have added my recent TransferWise IBAN number, as you can see. So I'll change and use another method here. I'll add another method here. So I'll add another method. As you can see, I'll choose United Kingdom. As the GBP here. So let me go back to the I'll show you how to put this. After you came here, come to your bank account here on Gray, scroll down to the, because I have tell you that they will provide you with the different international account number. So this is the account number. Like you can see here, this is the Euro account and this is the GBP. This is the GBP account. and they have a dollar account, but now they are on maintenance. So what you are going to do here is to just come here, minimize, go back and see what they were required for you. So after you come here, change this to IBAN number, because IBAN number is required. It is more important here. Go and copy your IBAN number here. Copy your IBAN number, put it here. As you can see, the bank name has been applied here. Bank name is Clear Junction Limited. So I'll now minimize and copy the address. They requested the address they are requesting, so you cannot skip this. Okay, this is you fill all this, and you are now go back to the Google search and London postal codes. So you are now going to copy. So as you can see, you copy the exact postal code of the address you put there. So after you put on your gray or transfer wise IBAN number, make sure it is correct, then you click on create. That means you create a new you created a new withdrawal method. So that one has been created. So as you can see, my payment method has been applied here. So I will now click on it. This is the exact payment method I have added of mine. So click on confirm. Click on the select the currency you are going to send. My balance is 1.8. So as you can see, our balance cannot be used. Source amount must be at least 21.2 GBP. So this is a minimum of transaction of withdrawal from this platform, 21.2 GBP. You cannot withdraw above that. So once you confirm your dollar amount GBP, it exceeded 21.2 GBP, so you can click on confirm here. That's here. After you click on confirm, it will now go direct to your bank account within short period of time. So since I have exhausted all my card limits, so I cannot proceed with this video. I will now leave it like this, so you can continue with your own. This is exact how to withdraw by using faster fee method. And if you click on this recalculate, it will now take you to next dashboard, saying that you should wait for some time for your transaction to be received. So please make sure you subscribe to our channels, because when we upload a new video, it will come to your dashboard in time. Thank you for watching.